Good morning, everyone. Today I will solve new exercise 1.3 in number system. Question number first, write the following in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansion is. Say what kind of decimal expansion is. This means terminating or non-terminating decimal expansion. We find out in this question. So let us start solution of this question. First part 36 upon 100. So now divide on division 36 by 100. So division method you can solve 36 divide by 100. So 36 less than 100. Now going on decimal point, so increasing 0. So 360, 100, 3 are 300. So now remaining 0, 6, 0. So now 60 less than 100. So increasing 0. So now 106 is 600. So now going on remainder will be 0. So 36 divided by 100 we get 0.63. Remainder will be 0. So therefore this is fraction is terminating decimal terminating decimal. Again second part, so 1 upon 11. So now proceed this 1 divide by 11. So now this is point. So 10 less than 11, this is going on 0. So this is increased 0. So 100, 11, 9 is 99. So 1. Now increase 0. So increase also 0. So 9, 0, 11, 9 is 99. So remainder 1. So 0, this is 0. So now this not divisible by 11 or remainder not 0. So this is not terminating decimal 00990 dot dot. So you can write also 9, 0. First block this number, first block, second block. So over the bar on digit. So non terminating non-terminating decimal non-terminating decimal because remainder is not 0. And also you can solve with the help of this example. Third part, 4 whole 1 upon 8. We get, this is a mixed fraction. You can write improper, change into improper fraction. 4 into 8 plus 1 upon 8. So we get 8 for 32 plus 1 upon 8 get 33 upon 8. 33 upon 8. So now divide 33 divide by 8. So 8 4 जा 32. So 1 write down, 3 minus 2 1. So 1 less than 8. So taking decimal. So now increase 0. 10 8 1 जा 8. So now 10 minus 8 remain 2, remainder 2. So now increase 0. So 20 8 8 2 जा 16. So now remainder will be 4 and increase 0. So 8 5 जा 40. So remainder will be 0. So this is 4 whole 1 upon 8 get 33 upon 8 is equal to 4.125. So this is remainder 0. So this is terminating decimal. So terminating decimal. And remaining part you can solve with the help of 1 2 3. So do yourself, you can solve remaining part. That's all. Another question number 2 in exercise 1.3. You know that 1 upon 7 is equal to 0.142857 bar. This is bar over on digit. Can you predict what decimal expansion of 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7 are without actually doing the long division? If so, how? So 2 by 7, how will solve 2 by 7 without actually doing long division method? Use 1 by 7. With the help of 1 by 7 we can solve this given part. So now let us start first part 2 by 7 we solve with the help of 1 by 7. So given in this question 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142857. So bar. So now let given first part 2 upon 7, 2 upon 7 is equal to, you can write also 2 into 1 by 7. Separate by 1 by 7 you can write. So now 2 into, put 1 by 7 given question, so 0.142857. 2 into 1 by 7, 0.142857 bar. So now multiply by this, say 2 7 are 14, 2 5 are 10, 11, 2 8 are 16, 17, 2 2 are 4, 1 5, 2 4 are 8, 2 1 are 2, 0 point. This is answer of 2 by 7. Another part, 3 by 7 is equal to 3 into 1 by 7 you can write. Now 3 into 1 by 7, now put here value, so we get 0.14287. Also multiply by this, we get, so 0.0.42857. This is bar on over digit. This is answer. And also another part you can solve. 4 upon 7 is equal to 4 into 1 by 7. 4 common out into 1 by 7. So 4, now 1 by 7, the value of 1 by 7, 0.14287. We get 0.571428 bar. And 5 by 7 is equal to 5 into 1 by 7. We get 5 into, put 1 by 7 value, 0.14287. So now the value, this 0.0714285, and 6 upon 7 into 6 into 1 by 7 is equal to 6 into this bar. So now value 0.142857 bar is equal to 0.8857142 bar. And question number 3, express the following in the form of P by Q. P by Q means rational, where P and Q are integer and Q naught equal to 0. First part 0.6 bar, 0.47 bar, 0.001 bar. So now given first part 0.6 bar. So this 0.6 bar P by Q in the form of P by Q represent. So now let X is equal to 0.6 bar. 6 bar, this is, you can write, let us equation taking first, and this 0.6 bar means repeating number 666, so on. After 6 bar decimal just, so now multiply by 10, multiply by 10 both side, we get 10x is equal to 0.6 bar into 10. So now 6 multiply by 10, so point after the 6.6 bar, so 10x. Now taking second equation, so subtract second equation minus first equation, we get, so 10x minus 10x is equal to 6.6 bar, and first equation x is equal to 0.6 bar. Now subtracting these equation second and first, we get 10 minus x, 10x minus 1x get 9x, and also 6 bar minus 6 bar 0 becomes, and 6 write down. So therefore x is equal to 6 upon 9. So now divisible by 3, get 2 and 3. So x is equal to 2 upon 3. So x means 0.6 bar is equal to 2.3. Represent in form of P by Q. Q not equal to 0. So this is answer. And another part, second part 0.47 bar. So now given 0.47 bar, now change into another form. So now multiply by 10 this given. Let x is equal to 0.47 bar. So bar just after, so point just after lead to 7 bar. So now multiply by 10 both side. So 10x is equal to 0.47 bar, or 10x is equal to 4.7 bar. Now let taking equation first. In this right side 0.7 bar just after one digit point. So now again multiply by 10 both side. again multiply by 10 both side, we get 10x into 10 is equal to 4.7 bar into 10. So now this 7.7 bar and 100x. So this is taking equation second. So now second equation minus first equation, we get 100x is equal to 47.7 bar, second part, and first equation 10x is equal to 4.7 bar. Now subtract these equation. So 100x minus 10x, 90x is equal to 7 bar minus 7 bar, 0 and 4, 3. Now this is x is equal to, therefore x is equal to 43 upon 90. So not divisible by any number. So this is represent P by Q. This, so therefore 0.47 bar is equal to 43 upon 90. This is answer. And third part given 0.001 bar. So now let x is equal to 0.001 bar. Just 3-digit point decimal just after 3-digit bar. So multiply by 1000 both side. So now taking equation first and multiply by 1000 both side, we get, so 1000 x is equal to, so now repeating 0.001 and 0.001 ... This is 3-digit repeating. So now multiply by 1000, get 0.001 bar. So change 1000 x is equal to, you can write 1.001 bar. Now taking equation first. Now subtract from first minus first. So 1000 x is equal to 1.001 bar, and also x is equal to 0.001 bar. So minus subtracting. So 1000 x minus 1x get 9099 x is equal to 1.00. So therefore x is equal to 1.000 divided by 999 x is equal to 1 upon 999. This is represent in P by Q form. This is answer. That's all. Thanks.